The 8th edition of the Eastern Himalayan Nature-gnomics Forum, the flagship annual event of the Balipara Foundation, wrap up the first of its kind virtual forum on the road to recovery through the theme of Ecology is Economy, bringing together over 110 speakers across business, government, the diplomatic community, academia and conservation across 23 countries. The event, which was held at Guwahati, was joined by chief ministers from across the 8 states of the Northeast. Delivering a keynote address in the session, Chief Minister of Assam, Sarbananda Sonowal said, "Nature is the key to the future. Today, environmental awareness is a must for preserving the rich biodiversity and for the human race." Speaking on the occasion, Conrad, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, in his keynote address, said the vast areas of enterprises to look at, from ecotourism to value addition of minor forest products to replacing fossil fuels with their debilitating carbon footprints.